Good YouTube, Nate with Mass Collector. Today's video is going to be the build a Delorean from Eaglemoss. This is issue number 3. And it's a quick video, looks like. We just got to put together a wheel for this Delorean. And just a couple parts and a few screws, and that's it. So we'll just jump right into it. Here's issue 1 and 2. So completed the back of the car and then put the trim on the front driver's side fender. And here we have next number 3. We have some BP screws. Looks like we got a washer in here. So on this pad that I got, the silicone pad, it's got magnetic spots on here so that you don't lose stuff. But this hub, DMC labeled hubcap here, end cap or whatever you want to call it, is not metal. The tire is not, but it's a nice rubber. It's not like a plastic or anything. It says there's a pin, but I don't see a pin unless it's in this. So it says there's a pin there. 3 screws. Comes with 4, which is great. Rim, washer, hub, tire, hubcap. But this pin, I don't see one. And then when you look at the steps here, it doesn't show a pin at all. So I'm not sure. E is not even listed. So the pin is actually already inserted into the rim, which is basically the air valve. So I looked up issue number 9 and I didn't see the pin in here anywhere, but I did see something sticking in there, and that looks exactly what that is. So mystery solved. All right. So back to issue number 3. So step 1, push the rim 3C into the center of the tire 3A. Should fit snug. So this is actually the front of the tire. So I'm gonna find the best looking side, which I don't think it really matters. They look both pretty good, but put that on. Snug. Step 2, press the hubcap 3B into the rim 3C. Fit the hubcap into position by threading 3 BP screws into the corresponding holes on the reverse side of the tire. Using a screwdriver, tighten the screws as firmly as possible. I don't want to do too firm, but just enough to get it in there. I'm gonna have to stop the video right now. I'm gonna run out of space on my SD card here in a few seconds, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So right now we are inserting 3 screws through to the hubcap to the back using BP screws. Which I have plenty extra now. It's nice that they give you extra. Doesn't even feel like it's even grabbing anything. All right, so there's definitely a pattern on this rim. See how the 2 holes up there are closer together than that one? Definitely makes a difference. So lesson number 1. So we got, put these 2 like that. There we go. Those in there. The next step is take the hub 3D and press it into the washer 3F, then press the assembled hub into the hub hole at the center of the hubcap. The hub should click firmly into place and your first wheel is complete. So here is washer. Well, you can't really press the hub into the washer because the washer is the same size as that. So I'm assuming we just set it in there. Snap that in there and we're good to go. Our first wheel is complete. If anybody's got OCD, look at how crooked that DMC logo is compared to the nuts on there. I'll fix it. There we go. That's better. Okay, well that's issue number 3. We built a tire. Thanks you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe again. Like the video if you're enjoying the content, and then hit that bell for notifications of the next one. And we'll see you then. Thanks.